Phases of the compiler. A compiler is a program that translates source code written in a high-level programming language into machine-readable code, which can be executed by a computer. The compilation process involves several phases, which are typically performed in the following order. 1. Lexical analysis. This phase is also known as scanning. The purpose of this phase is to break the source code into tokens, which are the basic building blocks of the programming language. The lexical analyzer scans the source code character by character and groups them into meaningful sequences. 2. Syntax analysis. This phase is also known as parsing. The purpose of this phase is to check if the tokens generated by the lexical analyzer follow the rules of the programming language's grammar. The parser builds a parse tree, which is a hierarchical representation of the program's syntax. 3. Semantic analysis. This phase is also known as the semantic check. The purpose of this phase is to check if the program's semantics are correct. The semantic analyzer checks the program for semantic errors such as type mismatches, undeclared variables, and function overloading. 4. Intermediate code generation. This phase involves generating an intermediate representation of the program. The intermediate code is a low-level representation of the source code, which is easier to analyze and optimize. 5. Code optimization. This phase involves optimizing the intermediate code to make it faster and more efficient. The optimizer performs various transformations on the code, such as constant folding, loop unrolling, and dead code elimination. 6. Code generation. This phase involves generating the final machine code, which can be executed by the computer. The code generator takes the optimized intermediate code and translates it into machine language. 7. Symbol table management. This phase involves managing the symbol table, which is a data structure that stores information about the program's variables and functions. The symbol table is used by the compiler to keep track of the program's identifiers and their associated attributes. These phases are typically performed in order, but some compilers may combine or skip certain phases for efficiency or to support specific programming languages or architectures.